As of 2025, T-Mobile allows account holders to view text message details, but access to actual content is limited by privacy laws and encryption. You can access message logs, including timestamps, sender and recipient information, and data usage for texts through the T-Mobile app or My T-Mobile website. However, viewing the full content of messages is generally only possible if the device is unlocked and synced. Remember that deleted messages are irretrievable. If end-to-end encryption is enabled on the account, the carrier cannot view message content. Recent privacy regulations and data breach concerns have led to stricter access controls. Account holders can view message metadata, such as dates, times, and phone numbers, as well as content for non-encrypted texts if the device is synced. Remember that viewing messages on other devices requires proper authorization. Several factors limit what you can view. Encrypted messages, with E2EE enabled by default on new T-Mobile plans since 2025, are inaccessible to the carrier. You cannot view messages on unauthorized devices, like family plan members' personal texts without permission. T-Mobile retains message logs for 12 to 18 months, but content may be purged sooner. Carrier-side recovery of deleted messages is not possible without a backup. T-Mobile cannot disclose message content to third parties without a warrant. Privacy laws like the Stored Communications Act protect text messages similar to emails, requiring judicial approval for law enforcement access. The trend is toward greater privacy and encryption, with T-Mobile investing in privacy technology. Be aware of these limitations to manage your expectations regarding text message access.